Linx supports a number of different data types ranging from simple to lists and complex types. The Linx plugin contains all simple types like Boolean, integer or string, as well as lists. Complex types can be created by clicking the Type button in the toolbar. When we select a complex type in the Solution Explorer, we can define its structure by adding fields to it in the Properties panel. In the top menu, we can also import JSON or XML data to generate a complex type for us. When we drag a type from the Plugins panel or from the Solution Explorer into a process, it becomes a variable of that type. We can then assign appropriate data to it in the Properties panel. Wherever we work with data in Linx, the data is shown by name and with the data type. When assigning a string that contains data in JSON or XML format to a type or a list, Linx will automatically assign the data where the fields and the data types match. For example, this type contains two fields, first name and last name. If we assign a JSON formatted string with the same fields to this type, Linx will map the fields to each other and assign the data accordingly. The same also applies to lists. If we drag a list into this process, we can assign a JSON formatted array to the list. When we set a breakpoint and debug the process, we can see the result of an auto-assignment in the Debug Values panel. Here's the original JSON string. Here's our type with its values, and here's our list with its items.